Hello everyone, welcome to S&S Mathematics. Today we are going to learn how to solve cube root of 6 digits number. So before that we have to make a table of all the numbers cube from 1 to 10. So here the table is ready. So let us move on to the sum. So we have 6 digits. We are dividing the 6 digits into two groups, 3 digits and 3 digits. So first we will take the right side 3 digits number. So in this number we have 7 at the last place. So we have to check this 7 in the answer in which number 7 is at the end. So here we have 7 at the end. So to get this answer we need to have 3 cube. So for our answer we are taking this 3 as answer. Okay, next we have 148. So we need to check, do we have 148 here or lesser than 148? Which number is lesser than 148? So here 216 is greater than 148, 125 is lesser than 148. So we are going to take this 125. So this one, to get this 125 we have to make 5 cube. So we are going to take this 5 for the answer. So 5. So now the 53 is the answer for cube root of 1,48,877. I hope you have understood this sum, how to solve it. Thank you.